The water. Wine. Lucky. Aiden. Look out. No, Lucky, come on, boy. Back. We can't trust that water. Good boy. Stay.
The cloth darkens unevenly. The water is not clear. Opening the floor.
Moisture is traveling beneath the habitat skin. The pulse stutters. The recycler is struggling against an obstruction. I'll isolate the first line. Still leaking. Damn. Checking the pressure? Yeah. Okay, following the line to the outer wall. Something's wrong with the water, Lucky. Collect a sample. Okay, Lucky. Clear and cloudy. Check the samples. Rough. God, it's on the wrong side. Coming from outside the habitat. I need to follow the lines. The line disappears into the outer wall beside a service valve path. The leak and dust share one possible route. I need to contact Earth.
Earth, this is HAB-1. Do you copy? I repeat, Earth, this is HAB-1. Do you copy?
Earth. Earth. Signal repeating. Do you copy? Negative. Repeat signal. Copy.
I'm sending it again. No, still off beat. They can't understand. Check local systems. Manual override.
The towel's soaked through. It's still leaking. Initiating hard shutdown of Sector 3. Engaging the bypass. Status check. Verified. Line secure. I'm sorry, boy. Just enough for now.
The seals hold under a firm twist. Manual control remains reliable where signals do not. Tests the sample pouch. Analyzing the smear, it points directly to the cover plate. Looks like the leak path is confirmed. All right, resistance on the fastener. Looks like dust has entered the joint. Yeah, I'm lifting the cover now. Be careful of the leak. The outer barrier is physically damaged. A hairline crack runs across the protective sleeve. Roger?
Do you have eyes on the source?
Yes, right here. It's the sleeve. The cracked sleeve flexes slightly. Thermal stress has weakened the guard.
The reverse suction could be pulling it in. Let's check the smear again.
hold on. Just a second. It's snagged. Be careful. You could damage the pipe. The regolith is looser. I need to get this free. Watch the cable, it's under. Got it, it's free.
Status is green. Exterior breach confirmed.
Decontamination protocols initializing.
Proceeding with cycle.
The dust is unusually invasive. Let's analyze that sample. All right, Lucky, contamination protocol first. Back up a bit. Whimpers and dog panting. Good dog, good dog. Just a second. Contented panting.
The outside dust sample matches the filter. The valve is failing.
Confirmed.
I'll check the schematics. Prepare for external repair.
Okay, that matches the route. Connecting the cracked valve to the filter. Reverse suction. Let's test this clamp. Earth, this is HAB1. Water recycler is down. We have no clean water. Do you copy?
Status. Unstable link. Signal lost. Requesting repeat. Rationing set.
All right, Lucky. Just a moment. Whew.
The reserve is dangerously low. We have to make this last.
Okay, Lucky, take a drink. Good dog. Guess it's safe. Cheers, partner. All right, Lucky. Just a little. Whimper.
The biological growth has advanced farther than expected.
Still seeing the dust in here. Checks out.
The shapes show the route. Tomorrow requires a farther surface mission. I'll leave the photo here. Still cloudy. Winds. No change.
No change.
Winds.
We leave tomorrow, Lucky. Stay alert. Whimper. Still sealed. Gotta get this cleaned. That's better. All right, one more. Just one more.
The gurgling. It's still pulling. The damaged valve. I'll seal the sample case. Tomorrow.